Welcome to our guide for integrating Xobin with iCIMS. This video will walk you through the process of setting up and testing Xobin Prime Assessments inside iCIMS. Let's get started. First, let's begin with the setup. From your iCIMS dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Jobs. Choose any job from the list to open its details page. Once inside the job page, navigate to the Details section. On the top right corner of the Details section, click on the Edit button. Now, scroll down until you find the Prime Integrations section. Under Select Vendor, type and choose Xobin Prime Assessments. Next, in the Select Package dropdown, select the assessment that you've already created on the Xobin platform. Now, let's configure the workflow status change so candidates can automatically be sent to Xobin. Scroll further down to the section called Prime Assessments Workflow Status Change. Again, under Select Vendor, choose Xobin Prime Assessments. And in the Select Package dropdown, pick the relevant test. Just below that, you'll see an option called Set Workflow Status. Click on Edit List. Inside the list, look for the workflow stage HR Review. Under HR Review, select the option Send to Xobin. Once done, click the Select button at the bottom of the list. Finally, on the top right of the page, press Save to apply these changes. And that's it. Your integration setup is now complete. Now let's test the setup. To return to the main dashboard, click on the iCIMS icon at the top left. From here, go to the Portals section. This represents your iCIMS career page, where all active jobs are listed. Open any job posting from this list. On the job page, proceed to apply for the job, just like a candidate would. During the application process, you will now see the option to start the Xobin assessment. Go ahead and complete the assessment. Once the test is completed, let's check how the results appear inside iCIMS. Head back to the iCIMS dashboard. Once again, click on Jobs and open the specific job for which the assessment was submitted. Inside the job, go to the Candidates tab. Select a candidate profile from the list. At the top, click on the Screen option. Scroll down to the Prime Assessment section. Here, you'll now be able to see the candidates' Xobin scores and their detailed report directly inside iCIMS. With this, you've successfully set up, tested, and viewed results for Xobin Prime Assessments within iCIMS.